Good morning, investors. We are from Megaworld Corporation, and today we're gonna show you the newest showroom here at Uptown Modern.
And if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
This is the most sought-after unit here in BGC by first-time investors. Allow me to show you the 40 square meter studio unit here in Uptown Modern. As you go in, on your left side will be your toilet and bath. Here you will have your lavatory, mirror, toilet and bidet, and shower set. And on this side is your kitchen area. The inclusions for this is the microwave oven, 2-burner induction hob with range hood, the cabinets, quartz countertop with sink and faucet, and built-in fridge. And on this side is the living and dining area. You also have a split-type aircon here. And lastly, this is the sleeping den with floor-to-ceiling windows.
So this one naman will be the one bedroom here in Uptown Modern. Kasama na sa maid's room yung washer-dryer. And may sarili din siyang toilet and bath right here. And right over here naman will be your kitchen or an island type kitchen. What I like about this one, included na yung refrigerator sa unit. Very sleek design. This is a good brand talaga. And kasama na rin tong microwave oven right there. And also, meron tayong 2-burner induction cooktop with range hood and then retractable faucet. Quartz type na rin yung ano natin, top natin. And dito naman will be your living area. Look at that. Very spacious and may access to sa balcony right over here. Floor-to-ceiling window. So you can really enjoy yung mga view dito sa BGC or Makati skyline. And this will be your common toilet and bath. I like how it finished kasi look at that. Upgraded yung mirrors. The deliverable is good. And meron na tayong full enclosed shower. Diba? And right here will be your bedroom. Sa bedroom, included na rin yung aircon kasama sa unit. And then, meron din siyang floor-to-ceiling windows right over here. And kasama tong vanity mirror. Yan din ang ginawa nila dito. Very sleek design. And connected siya dun sa toilet natin. So, magkakaroon ng sliding door here. So, very accessible talaga siya. So, that's how we gonna do here in one bedroom. So, it's a tour on the complete unit na rin.
Ayan, as we walk through, we are near almost everything. Dito nga ako sa Alliance Global Tower. Ito, makikita nyo pa si Sir Ben, nakipagkamay pa nga. So, as we walk through, dami nating lakad. Ayan, tawid tayo, medyo ingat, okay. Ayan, makikita nyo naman sa left side ko, nandyan yung mga retail spaces natin. Tingin tayo sa right side natin, nandun naman yung Uptown Mall. Kaya naman, malalaman talaga natin na tourist spot yung area and good for investment.
And here naman, we're near international offices. Diyan nga pala sa Palazzo, located yung Landers Grocery and Parks as well yan. Nandito lang din. Then yan, tawid muna tayo. Extra careful kasi nga, we're taking videos. Yan. And ito pala, yung mismong building ng JP Morgan. Yes, dito located yan sa Uptown. Which is super good din kasi nga, nasa paligid lang natin yung target market natin, di ba? And also here, as we walk, no, dito nga pala sa left side ko yung actual site ng Uptown Modern. Ongoing construction na yan siya. Super nakaka-excite kasi one of the flagship project talaga to ni Megaworld. And ito yung parang pinaka-overview. Ayan, check nyo.
So ayan, if mahilig ka maglakad, nandito na tayo sa 8th Avenue ng Uptown Bonifacio. Dito, located yung first ever Mitsukoshi Mall. Parang Piece of Japan here in the Philippines. First ever store yan, or mall here in the Philippines. So, ayun, nakikita nyo nga, lakad tayo. Very exclusive yung place, ano? Walkable lahat ng makikita nyong daanan. And wala ka rin nakikitang traffic talaga. So, ayun. Sabayan natin si ate sa paglalakad, ano? Very speed up na lang tayo. Kasi parang kanina pa tayo naglalakad. Ayan, you might not know this, pero may catwalk tayo dito which connects one Uptown residence all the way to the Uptown Mall kung saan tayo nanggaling kanina. Ayan, nakikita nyo may mga tao na nag-enjoy. Ayan, baba tayo ng konti. And makikita nyo kung paano yung sinasabi kong catwalk kanina. From this one Uptown Residence, papasok tayo sa ilalim ng Uptown Mall. Ayan. Sumasabay pa tayo sa lakad ni Kuya Garda. Ayan, inom ulit. Medyo nauhaw sa paglalakad. Ito, diretso tayo dito. May kita nyo yung mga retail stores na yung iba for skin and wellness. Ayan, dito na tayo. Sa ilalim na talaga ng Uptown Mall. Dito medyo tahimik dito if ever na gusto mo ng katahimikan bago pumasok sa medyo lively na mall. Pwede kang dumiretso dito. Ayan, may mga flowers din. If gusto mo regaluhan yung kadate mo, why not, diba? Bili ka. And ito, nasa ground floor na tayo ng Uptown Mall. Gandang tour, diba? Ito naman. For the gala tayo. Oh, si Sir Ben ulit. Parang hindi na tayo nagkakasawa. Ah, si Sen. Kakasawaan na ng mga mukha. Kanina pa nakikita. Ayan, papunta tayo sa showroom naman. Pero dito, may kita natin yung Sivo, yung healthy options. If gusto niyo ng mga ganong food, and vitas, bili na rin kayo while on the way sa showroom. Tapos baka mabudol din kayo sa H&M, di ba?
If you're interested with this investment, leave a comment and see you on our next video.